Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If Samsung Wallet is not working in Saudi Arabia, don't worry. In most cases, the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the most effective solutions to get Samsung Wallet working again. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and running the latest software version. Open Settings, go to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone. Next, check if Samsung Wallet itself needs an update. Open the Galaxy Store, search for Samsung Wallet, and see if there's an update button. If there is, install the latest version of the app. If Samsung Wallet still ain't working, go to Settings, then Apps, find Samsung Wallet, tap Storage, and first clear the app cache. If that doesn't solve the problem, clear the app data as well. After that, sign back into your Samsung account and try adding your payment card again. You should also make sure that NFC is enabled. Open Settings, go to Connections, and turn on NFC and contactless payments. Samsung Wallet won't work for contactless payments if NFC is turned off. If you're unable to add your bank card, check whether your bank supports Samsung Wallet in Saudi Arabia. Not every bank or card is compatible with the service. Also, if your phone was purchased in another country, it may have regional restrictions. Imported devices sometimes cannot activate Samsung Wallet or may not work correctly with Saudi banking services. If you see a message saying that Samsung Wallet isn't available in your region, the issue is most likely related to your phone's regional software or your Samsung account region. Make sure your Samsung account is set to Saudi Arabia and that your device is using the correct regional software. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your phone and open Samsung Wallet again. In most cases, the app starts working normally without any additional configuration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new Samsung and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.